Graph.Build is your no-code collaborative platform to design, configure, and automate your graph model production. And in this video, we cover the platform architecture. This quick walkthrough will show how we enable the graph development lifecycle all the way through to graph production. The Graph.Build Studio is a no-code user interface for collaboratively designing graph models and interacting and configuring all the other components of the platform. You can imagine the Studio to be your graph model IDE and production tool. The transformers are scalable, independent processors which use your graph model designs to make graph data. They can connect and ingest from virtually anything as a data source. Kafka for streaming, massive flat files of CSV, JSON, XML, or spreadsheets, any SQL database, and even RESTful endpoints. Change Data Capture, or CDC, is supported by the transformers via an internal integration with Debezium. This allows your graphs to be always up to date with any changes from the source data where a Debezium connection is supported, for example, in most SQL databases, Cassandra or MongoDB. The transformers can also perform any simple or complex data transformation via our plugin functions architecture. There is a library of over 100 functions already built in, with the ability to also write your own and load them into your transformer for any requirement that isn't already covered. And to complete the graph development lifecycle, we have the Graph Writer. The Graph Writer will write your newly created graph data to all graph databases compatible with the three most popular standard query languages, Sparkle, Gremlin, and OpenCipher. And this can be done either using update mode or insert mode. The Graph.Build platform is ready for production. All components are deployed as Docker containers, and the platform is ready for deployment either locally or on AWS infrastructure, where we can also provide CloudFormation templates. For convenience, you can choose to store all your platform configuration, graph models, and graph data either in S3 or on disk, whether locally or networked. You can also use Kafka as the backbone to manage the whole graph publishing process, or if you prefer a more manual approach, use the full REST API provided. And that concludes the Graph.Build platform architecture walkthrough. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below, or alternatively, please get in touch with us directly to discuss a use case specific for you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.